Alright guys, we're going to get ready to go ahead and do the raffle on these mummy pulls. Either the Black Widow, which is the red and black, or OD green. There's our list. Well, that's the list of everybody paid, but you guys got a view of that. $7.35. Alright, let's go over to random.org and we'll get our list up of our 6 contestants. There's the list. Let's go ahead and refresh this. Number 1, let's see what we got here. I believe that was the last ticket that filled. And that'll be Kevin. Congratulations on the win. Alright, thank you guys again for playing. Let me get this video uploaded.